Why am I offline? Okay, that was just offline for me. Sweet. Alright. Oh, that's gonna be a UL class. Oh, sweet. Gem install SCSS. Oh man, I gotta restart this. Wait, can I restart terminal? I don't think I can. Gem install SCSS. Yeah, I have to restart. PHP storm. Okay. Gem install SCSS. There we go. Okay, and then we'll go to File, Settings, Tools, External. Come on, why are you doing this to me? No, I don't want to start up Epic Games. There we are. Okay. Now let's try this out. Where are you at, public? Yeah, okay. What's up, man? Sorry, I'm gonna call you Ty. I don't know how to say your name. What's up, man? How's it going? Okay. What is... Wait, so if I do... Holy wow, that is awesome. Wow, I don't know why I don't use CSS. That is awesome. I'm going to delete that. I'm not going to focus on it. What was that even? One. Oh yeah. The drop down menu. Duh. No wonder. Man, I'm so stupid. UL class drop down menu. Data drop down. What is it? Data drop down menu. Oh. Oh, come on. Excuse me. Okay, why isn't that working? Let's just take off that. This still doesn't work, am I? Oh, whoa. The next thing. Added drop down menu. Okay, that's a given. Li H UL class menu li. Yeah, I mean that correctly. Why isn't it working though? No, no error. Of course not. Okay. Okay, let me see if I change anything over here, if it'll work. Oh, let me see. Drop down menu. Foundation, working. Yep. Wait, so it doesn't need to be there, it needs to be right there, data top bar. Yeah, still nothing, huh? Okay. Fine, I will try that. Wow, it was really that simple. I'm so stupid. Okay, sweet. Also want to have like viewer count, viewer. And for user sign, I will use chart JS. No, I'll just use this. Huh. Admin.blade, and then we'll add it up here. Okay, let's see. Okay. And we'll do a top bar. This will be custom. This won't be anything that I think it should be. Yeah. Zafir, I worked for a web design studio as a PHP programmer. If that says anything. I'm okay. I don't think I'm great, but I'm okay. I know my way around PHP. No, I just had that one. That one looked really good. Right there. What? Oh, man. Okay, and I'm gonna add some okay, I'm gonna use a different sign in master page. Actually, no, I'll just do it all like this. What's going on, Ty? What's going on now? Is it still the thing you were talking about earlier? Okay, oh yeah. So. Okay. Okay, actually, you know what? I will just use theirs foundations. Why not? Let's see. It'll be a lot easier. Responsive navigation. Oh, right there, okay. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm just deciding what to do on this admin page. Sounds like you're having... good references? Oh. Let's see. I mean, for example, me, what I do is I try to like do, you see this public file that contains all assets, pretty much everything that, well, this is MVC architecture too, but I mean, you might be able to use this for all, you know, just basic PHP, but anything that, like CSS files, JavaScript files, anything of those nature will go into a public file, and then assets, system files like classes, functions, I put in I put in like system, and then you can span it out between models if you use models, or controllers, blah blah blah, and then a views, which is something only. Like I said, I'm kind of explaining this MVC architecture too, but you can kind of apply this to regular PHP. Yeah, I mean, let me see. I've pulled up something. Let's see. That's not a good reference. Let me... PHP the right way. File structure. Let me see. Trying to see, there's this website called PHP the Right Way. It's a very, very, very good reference tool that I use and a lot of other people use. Just trying to see if it has anything on file structure. Okay, so you kind of, I mean, you could use my example, like system contains anything that, you know, it's kind of strictly backend. You could put everything. I mean, you could put, you know, in public that can contain your assets like JavaScript and CSS files, and then views can also go in there, which is anything that, like I said, I mean, yeah, I mean, you're kind of the same boat as me. I just try to stick to that. I'm clutter. Yeah, I mean, I'm not the most organized person, but I don't know, like if you use like a framework like Laravel, it's kind of best to stay to the structure they have laid out. Otherwise, you'll get lost. But let's see. Let me show you. I did like a form software from an old job, and I did it really janky because I mean it had to be pure PHP. The form software. Okay, I did this very janky, and I wouldn't suggest it at all. But it this was my file structure. This is kind of like my file structure for pure PHP projects. Like you have app, and that contains anything that that would modify. With this like backend scripts. Obviously, it's absolutely horrible because. Yeah, because back then I didn't really understand a lot of what I know today. And everything right here, like add thread, edit post, index, settings, show thread, that's all views, and I should have probably packaged them. Well, I say that, but then I didn't have a router. And I had to make my own router, and they didn't want that, but very bad example. I'm sorry. A view is okay. So a view is anything that here in MVC architecture, a view is something that the user sees. So for example, this right here, or this admin page, this is a view, right? It's a view. It contains strictly like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, all that. In a way, the view stays quote unquote dumb, as in it doesn't do any of the thinking. It's basically a file that it's just like an HTML file, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. What you're referring to as pages are basically views, yeah. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, it's the template. Yeah, you got it. No, and there really shouldn't be. Like, in my old job on the old core, what they used to do was, this is an example of, so I guess, if you wanted to separate them, you could, but this is I would say that there's no real distinction between the two, template and view. The template is a view is a template, but something the old programmers at my job did, they templates were something that clients saw, like outside people, like regular users saw. Views were something that only admins can see, like in the web admin, like /admin. Like this was a view. However, this was a template. That's just an example. I mean, if that's something that you want to do, I wouldn't recommend it because it gets. I like having all views in one spot, so it's easy to edit. That's just my personal preference. I don't know if you have a different one. Oh, let me test something real quick. Okay, so those need to be green. I mean green, white. When I say green, so A's. So we'll do style. That's CSS. No, like that. We'll do dot pagination. We'll do li and span. Well, I mean, Bootstrap and Foundation are pretty much the two. It's pretty much a personal preference to designers, I guess you'd say, because designers, because like designers at my work, they prefer Foundation, whereas me and the other programmer prefer Bootstrap. And CSS compilers, if that's what you mean. Sass, SCSS, and Less are the three big powerhouses. I don't really have personal preference because I honestly haven't used those. I'm just now starting to dabble in SCSS because it's very, it's a lot. I mean, anything is better than plain CSS. It's a lot easier because you can nest elements, and that's great. Instead of having to type out, for example, instead of having to do pagination, if I want to do kind of different things, I'd have to do li, color black, and pagination a color pink. With SCSS, I can do pagination, and then I can nest li color black, and then a color pink. I mean, if you like doing it old CSS way, then that. But if you like simpler and less stupid, not stupid, but I mean, yeah. I mean, what Sass pretty much does, for example, I will give you an example right now. With the program I'm using, PHP Storm, it has something called file washers, and it's if you have, like, for example, Ruby installed, you can install SCSS, the compiler for it. And so, say, just an example, I want to do test.scss. Okay, and I can do pagination a color black width 15%, li color pink width 30%. What this pretty much does is it translates this into CSS. So you go to CSS and it automatically translates it for you. It's really nice. Yes, very, yeah, exactly. It's interpreting all the code and generating CSS. Yeah, it's really, really nice. And I'm not using it right now just because, I don't know, I want to go into the documents a little bit more to where I can use it a little bit better. But yeah, that nesting, that's like a huge plus. That's probably one of the biggest things I think is awesome about it. Oh, that didn't... Oh, simple. No, I had like 5 hours of sleep because I had to get up at like 9, but I'm going strong. I'm probably gonna cut it like an hour or two because I got a meeting with the client, my first meeting with the client tomorrow, so I gotta be ready for that. Yay, no yay. Oh yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, I'm happy to help. Yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll be glad to explain. I mean, to my knowledge, at least. I don't know everything, obviously. Oh, thanks for the thought, man. Thanks so much. Ty, you seem to be having a lot of fun with your Linux stuff. Okay, so div class top bar, and then we'll do div class top bar right. And these are going to be like easy stuff so that I don't have to do it manually, like composer, dump auto load, and update. And so I'll just create a new one. Artisan make controller composer stuff. Okay, and with composer stuff, we will do public function auto load, and we'll just do exec. What is it? CD. I'm just gonna apply this to my own users each. How did I do it before? Just running exec without changing the file location will just run it in that one, and it won't run right. So that's not good. Oh yeah, simple. MVC design. Yeah, it's master race now. but it's great. I like it a lot more than plain PHP. I guess some of the older programmers don't like. I know, like my boss, he prefers plain PHP over MVC architecture, but me, who started a lot later than he did, I prefer MVC. So yeah, I guess it's. I don't know if it's two different crowds or preference. I don't know. Oh, here, I'll do this. Location equals MVC is model view controller. Yeah, what Simple Var just said. Model view controller. Okay, and we'll do this. CD. Oh, wait. Location. Let's see. How do you want two different commands? Man, and I just did this. Oh, I just did this on. Where is it at? CWAMP. Vendor, ping pong, generators. Which one was it? It was no. Oh man, which one was it? It was module generator. Hopefully it'll be in this one. Yeah, right, simple. No, Ajax is something different. Ajax, it kind of, okay, so this is an example. Say you have, yeah, Ajax is a way of making a request. Simple beat me to it. Yeah, so say you have like a shout box, and you want to, you send the message, but without the page refreshing, as you would with a PHP method, HTML method post. With Ajax, you can just press send. It'll send a post to the file, and then it'll return something. I think it'll return something. But yeah, it's a way of making requests simple. I would say Twitch chat uses it, but I don't know. I know they use Python for theirs. I don't know exactly if they use Ajax. How is Ajax from MVC? make this? Console generator. Maybe this is it. Nope, this is not it. Man, I'm gonna put brackets real quick and see if it's there. Yeah, I'm gonna let SimpleVar answer that because I'm not even too familiar with Ajax. I know what it does. Only used it once ever, and that was to do a drag and drop updater for a gallery module. And that was the only time we've ever used Ajax, and it was a pain. Oh, come on, brackets. You're not this slow. Okay, I'm actually just going to... Yeah, how Laravel is a little bit different from that that diagram. What happens is, so you know, obviously the user sees the view, the user uses the controller. However, the controller manipulates, passes any data onto the model. It gets translated there, passes back to the controller, and then updates the view. That's how I've come to use Laravel. Like any data that's used in the application needs to go through the models instead of the controllers. So like for example, if you want to take a dollar amount, convert something else, you would get the dollar amount from the user via the controller, pass that dollar amount onto the model, convert it, pass it back to the controller, and then show it to the user on the view. If that makes sense. Yeah, I'm just explaining how Laravel uses. What is it? Module. Let's see, module. $3,500. Okay. Here we go. That's what I did. Okay, no, that I was muting my mic, sorry. Yeah, sorry, I was muting my mic. Isn't it back? Yeah. I think so. I think it's back. Yeah, Simple, you and your optimization. I noticed that on your stream. If you ever get out of hand on optimizing to make you snap out of it. Let's see. How do I assign icons to this? I'm just repeating what I saw on your stream. Yeah. But I mean, I'm just gonna call it P20. That's not a bad thing, obviously. Knowing, I mean, knowledge. If knowledge is power, then I mean, nothing at all wrong with questions. Stream cuts off a bit. Oh, I mean, I've only just, odd. Okay, so I will do admin composer auto load. Yeah, that may have been where I dropped like 76 frames. My bad. And I class FA. I could use them. I plan on using one of the programmers at my work developed a table builder It's really, really nice. But yeah, yeah, I mean, if you'd like, yeah, if you want to give me that, that'd be great. Yeah, I could definitely use it no matter what. Um, icons. FA icons. What are these? Font awesome. Yeah, good. I'll definitely take a look for it. Oh, he's making a Twitch bot. It's great. Hey, don't you have like you already have like song requests set down, don't you, Simple? Oh, why is music cut out for some reason? I guess we'll go to Magic Cat or whatever it's called. Did I say Magic Cat? Monster Cat. Wow. Okay, maybe I'll just stick to Spotify. Spotify's pretty good. Wait, no, that has. Okay, I guess Monster Cat will have to do. Let's see, what changes this color? I don't like that color. It's horrible. So dot top bar is what does it, okay. Ah, there we go. That's better. But I do need to tone it down a little bit. It's a little bit too big. Let's see. Okay, so what if I got rid of the height on the top bar? And then increase this to 100. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's why, because it's... Maybe I can edit dynamically with JavaScript. Okay. How about I do that? I'm going to take the height off and leave the width. Because I don't... Trying to figure out how I can do this. Oh, let me set up the route for that. Did I return an error? Let's see. Where are the errors stored? Are they stored in just WAMP? Logs, nope. Here we go. Actually, what if I don't return it? Oops. What if I don't return it and I just leave it? And then I'll return true, and that'll be it. And that'll be the end of it. Be at the end of it. The response content must be a string or object implementing toString boolean give it. Oh! And then what if I just don't return anything? Of course. Does exec return anything after it's done? Wait until... think I can sit there and make it wait. Oh, wait. Exec and background. Let's see. Oh, return var. I don't want to fill output, so can I just give it false? False. Can I not do that? Of course. Oh wait, I can do no, you know. Yeah, it's still not gonna work. I don't need it to output anything. Wait, what if I do this? What if I do dd output? Let's see what it does. Oops, what did I do there? Nothing. It doesn't output anything. Why not? Did I not type it right? Composer dump-show. Oh, wait a second. Duh. Still nothing? What if I just take off that? Oh no, I'm still here. I'm just thinking to myself while you guys are talking. Okay, I will. Oh, that's why I like C#. It reminds me a lot of PHP. Reminds me. Can't use it yet though. Of course. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do this. How about we just take off add web admin side because we don't even need it. Okay, that's really ticking me off for some reason. New, old CSS. Oh, come on. Oh, no wonder. Just move them. Thank you. Okay, now we will do admin.scss. And then we will do style.scss. We're mixing some things. Oh wow, that is awesome. Okay, Ty. See you later, man. Good night. Man, that's so awesome. SCSS, man. I need to start getting some of this knocked out. So we're gonna do div class top bar left. And we're gonna do UL class menu. And then comes the fun part, and then we get to do, what is it? What is drill down menu? Holy crap, that is awesome. But I don't want it. Accordion menu? What is this? Oh. Okay, so we need yeah, you guys get to see me write a form software. Yay! Box talking to me, or boss talking to me. Oh, I think you're talking to him. Come on. Let's see. Why am I adding a class? Why am I adding a class? What? Okay, so this is gonna be H. It's just gonna be that for now. Well, no, we can go and set it up. Admin. Oh, so you are talking to me, boss. Okay. Oh, the scroller ease. Yeah, I see what you mean. I definitely will probably. Let's see. Forum threads. Subthreads. Isn't that new parallax design? How it scrolls with the page? Or is that the scroll script that you're talking about? Okay, okay, P20. Glad you stopped by, man. Thanks for the follow. You have a good day or night, wherever you are. Never boss. Do you know if that's the new? If that's this? If the how the pictures scroll with the background? If that's the scroll easy? I think you're talking about is where you like click it and it like drags you down. If I'm not mistaken, but how the pictures scroll with the page is that this? Isn't that the new parallax design? Okay, yeah, that parallax design, man, that is so awesome. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, I gotta see this. How good are your paint skills? I don't need subforms. Topics. That's what it is. Topics. And then we'll do some like, I don't know. I'll do this at the bottom. We'll be like, what is it? I'll just name that debug. Pagination, to put it frank, it's this. Okay, I'll show you real quick. Yeah, it's kind of like this right here. You see how it's like that. That's what pagination is. Go watch. Sorry, being weird. Sorry about that. I just felt like typing that for some reason. Okay, thanks, boss. How do you implement? Oh, let me look at the. Thanks for that, boss. I needed that. I was. Yeah. Is there any way to? How would you implement it? Like apply it? Wait a second. Let me see what you. Sorry, never mind. I'm just saying stuff. Okay. Oh, I didn't. Wait, why is it doing... It should be doing left from right. What are you doing? Oh, no wonder. I'm stupid. Why isn't it... Oh! Okay, and then I want... So we'll do UL class menu. LI href admin forum logs. And what else could we have as a debug? I guess I could do like management for like database stuff. Okay. Oh, why do I keep on doing that? Debug. How do I increase the size? There should be something over here. No, there's no way. Oh, that's it. It's set to font size. That's why. What is it set to? Wait. What? Why is that changed colors? Drop down menu. Wait, what? It's inheriting it. That's one. Okay. So we'll do There we go. And then we can nest them. It's great. Why not? I could just change color right here. No, I can't. So you can nest. It's great. Color. Oh my gosh. Why isn't the color changing? Oh. Ah! See, it's been overwritten by this. There we go. That's better. Oh, and I need to start logging stuff. So I'm gonna create. Wait, does Laravel come with a logging? I don't actually know if they come with a logging default logging class. So I'm gonna create a logging class. Where am I gonna create it? I'm just gonna right here. Log. No, what are you doing? Okay, and this will have the class, I guess, and this will have the facade. Actually, I should put everything in here. So we'll do log facade, and this one's going to be namespace app facades log facade. Wait, no, I don't need that. It's gonna be and then use Illuminate support. No. What is it again? Support facades. I knew it. Support facade, and then we'll do class log facade extend facade, and public function get. What is it again? I always forget. Get facade accessor. Get facade accessor. Return log. It doesn't need to be static. Yeah, it needs to be static. See, and then we go to app PHP. We go down here. And we do log app facades log facade class. Okay, and then we go to, actually we open up a terminal. Open up our terminal and we do PHP artisan make provider and then log a service provider. See, and we go ahead and do it like this. Was it this at bind admin function? What is the rest of it? Return new app log. I'll show you that app log. Yeah. Log. Okay. And we're gonna do namespace app. We need to generate a model. Oh man, how are we gonna do this? Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, so then we need to do this one, admin logs. Logs. And we'll do private static. Actually, no, we'll just do private type. Private message. Public function construct, and we will take the type and then the message, and we'll do this type equals type, this message equals message. Also do public function set type. We'll take type as the parameter. This type equals type. We shouldn't ever have to update it, but just in case, might as well use it. Hey, what's up, Solomon? How's it going? Okay, and I'm just gonna do store type. Actually, no. And then we'll do type equals this type, message equals this message, and then we'll do switch type case admin. Then we will call on add create And if that's not filled, I'll return a pop. So I can just do, so if it's an admin, then we'll do admin ID. I'm also going to store that IP address just in case. What? Alright, I mean, I'm not engaging because you guys are like talking stuff outside of my range. Reading, but I can't contribute to it. Let's see. Okay, that sounds about good. That looks about right. Let's test it out. So whenever you get onto the base controller, whenever you are indexed, you automatically get logged as someone who's viewed the site. So we'll do log equals new log basic viewed site. Let's see how that goes. Log facade not found. Do I need to? You guys are hilarious. That didn't work. Oh, no shit. No wonder. Duh. Oh, come on. I may just have to call it directly. Get rid of the facade. Oh. No, wait. Maybe I don't. I didn't add that. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I do. Log message. Isn't that what it is? Yeah, log message. What are you talking about? 448. Protected table equals admin logs. Basic logs. I need to set fillable. That's why, yeah, because whenever you're doing create, you had to set a fillable. Fillable equals user ID, message, and IP. Admin ID, log, message, and IP. Let's make sure that I didn't set the. Ah, would you look at that? Viewed site. And let's test it out on admin. So let's go to routes.php. I'm still up and running. What you mean? Let's see. Yeah, I like to think I am. Let's see. I want to make this before, so we'll do href Sign out. I class. Let's see. Let's get a good one. Oh, sign out right here. Bam. FA sign out. Oh, wait, what? Sign out, yeah. Oh, that's why. Duh. Because this shouldn't be set to this. That's not good. P20, I definitely wouldn't say that. You should look at, God, there was a streamer doing StarCraft, and there in his chat there was literally nothing but spam, and they were real people. So definitely don't say that about yourself. What did I do? Oh, view composer. Oh, I didn't set it to. Ah, there we go. It's not displaying anymore. And then we go to admin. We log in. Test 1-3. We can sign out over here, and it'll redirect us. And then when we sign in, we need to log that. So if it is successful, use app log. If it is successful, then we need to create a new instance of log, new log, admin logged in, log equals store. Okay, and then we can go and then we can go in here, go to admin's log, and there's nothing there, of course. Okay, okay, how about this? Well, instead of that, let's output. So instead of this right here, which might not even work. Well, no, it will. So let's do this right here. And let's dd the type. I didn't dd it. Okay. Something's going wrong. It's still not okay. So what is it doing? Wait a second. Look at that. It's not overriding. It's not overriding the class. No, it is. No, it is. It's just not writing to this for some reason. Do I have it set to the wrong? No, admin logs, admin ID, log message, IP. I know why. Because I'm redirecting them before I'm even processing the log. No wonder. Yeah, see, I'm processing that before I return them. So if I do this now, I log out. Yeah, see, Solomon, yeah. Yeah, I just caught that. There we go. What do you mean Lur 36? Oh, I didn't use admin. Okay. How am I? These PHP errors? They're generated through Laravel himself. Yeah. If that's what you mean. And let's go in here and see. Yep. Admin ID 12, admin logged in, so my log class works. That's good. Now, what should we do next? I guess I can go ahead and add the ability to edit news. I want to put a background on the news because it's hard to see. Put a different background on it because it's really hard to see. I like the blue I was using. For each, just going to store them in a news article. And then we'll go to our style, and we'll do news article. Yeah, actually, you know, P20, what I do is, you know, PHP actually comes with its own development server, so you don't actually have to set up XAMPP or WAMP. And that's kind of what I'm using. I'm using Laravel's development server. Yeah, I'm using Laravel's built-in development server. And PHP's, what is theirs? What is it? PHP-S localhost and the port. I think this is the command. No, Hunter, I'm using Laravel's built-in development server. Yeah, what Solomon said. I'm using Laravel's calling PHP's development server. And it's a lot easier because you don't have to go through the hassle of making Apache look into the public folder. It all does it for you. Why hasn't that changed colors? Well, actually, no, I don't know. Actually, I don't know if anything, you'll use Apache. Probably. Yeah, I mean, if you use any server, it'd be Apache, but I couldn't tell you. Let me. I know you can't take. I know with their built-in, it's local, like strictly local. There's no one outside of your local network can use it. Yeah, Hunter, it is possible. Well, it is possible. I think you'd have to use. I think you'd have to have because let me see, no IP. Yeah, like you can use no IP for like free domains. Let's see, add domain. Yeah. Yeah. Like a good, I think this is free. You just have to wait. Actually, I don't know if it's free, but you can use no IP. They're really good. Like I use no IP for free domain names, so I can show people stuff. And all it is a host. It like I do not want you to delete that. Simple. I felt the same way about this web thing. I was like, I was sitting there at work, and I was like, man, I'm so bored. I don't got anything to do. I was like, I'll work on the web. I was working on the website. You know what, Simple? I actually did not figure that out. For some reason, every single let me type that in. Let me see, because for some reason, C#, learn C#. Let's see. Microsoft Virtual. Ooh, right here. I guess this might be a good start. Let's see though. Let's go to index. Oh, thanks for the follow, Hunter. Thanks so much, man. Let's see if that actually is. Simple. If you have a better suggestion, since you like probably know C# like the back of your hand, he might be able to give you a good suggestion. Then we'll know for sure if it works. Oh. Oh, did I just stall out my... Did I? Did I just... It's taking forever to load, so I'm gonna take this out. There we go. I guess it stalled out for some reason. That's weird. What? Oh, come on. Wait, is there a RAR? I don't see a RAR. Yeah, there is no RAR. So bcrypt 123 does not equal bcrypt 123. Hunter, when I get off work, I typically between 7 and 8 Central until like 12, unless I'm doing something. That's typically the time I stream. Right, so I actually figured out a different way of hashing passwords. Instead of using bcrypt, Laravel has something called... Oh no, actually not Laravel. No. Laravel has something called hash make. What's up, Benja? How's it going, man? Yeah, Laravel actually has something called password, not password hash, hash make. Password hash is good as well, but they have something called hash make, and I will see if I can do this without just an example. We'll do hash make 123. And the best thing about this is instead of having to do like several different things, you can do base. I'm just gonna do it on the controller. So we can do use, okay, and then we can do Let's see. You have so pass equal. Let's do test equals hash make 1 2 3, and then we'll just pass this on. And then we'll go to our index. See, we'll do test. Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, come on. Admin. No, not base command. Fuck you. Base controller. Let's see. Oh man. Okay, instead of showing you that, I'll just show you how great it is in my login method. So, let's see. Password. Yeah, I was. You were talking to me, P20. I was trying to use Laravel's built-in hashing, and I'm about to show you what it is. Actually, let's go to admins, and this is where you log in. Okay, so when you create an account, what's going to happen is we're going to do that hash, and then call the static method make from hash. And then you pass along, a string, and then it hashes it. Well, what you can do is, instead of having to do, like store the database password in a variable, you can do something called hash, and then call the static method check, and you pass it a unencrypted string, and then you compare it to the encrypted string, and it'll match it, and it'll return true or false. It's really nice. Okay, Manhunter, I would say have fun at school, but I remember how that was, so I can't say have fun. Yeah, I think you were there, Simple, when we figured it out. Let's see. I'm lost track again. Oh, I might as well do create. So P20 is basically the same thing as hash make and hash, and the hash check. Yeah, password hash password, and then default password or default but it's password default and then password bcrypt, I believe. Let's see, create admin, self, create. And I'm just going to send a request. And then if that returns true, means that if it completes, then we'll return true. Else we will password verify. Okay. Whoa, simple. Let's see, public function. I'm going to go ahead and define my create and edits. Create. It's going to basically just return view admin.create, and then this is going to function and then post create, and we'll take request. Java's a good starting point. It's very. I know I've heard a lot of people say it's a good starting point. I like PHP. PHP is ridiculously easy. But I guess it's just personal. I don't know if it's personal preference or more facts. It is ridiculously easy. Yeah, PHP is web development. It's oh yes, yeah, var. PHP is easy compared to actual programming languages, like compiled programming languages. Is easy. Admin. If that returns 2, then we will. Actually, no. We need to make a validator. This validate request. And we need to do email. That needs to be required. And it also needs to be the form of the email. Password, that's required. That's pretty much it. Return redirect route admin index. Yeah, JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript's great to learn because it's not only like a front end. You can also make games with it. Like Solomon said, Node.js has become ridiculously popular. And Node.js is getting ridiculously popular, and it's also very good. I mean, if you want to take a leap, I mean, if you want to learn C++, you can go with Unreal Engine, which is great. Node.js is server-side application. It's kind of like PHP, but for JavaScript, it's server-side code. Since JavaScript is primarily a front-end language, Node.js allows it to be a server-side language. Or not server-side, but server. A server-side language, yeah. Else return. I need to. I'll throw errors later. And then we will generate a new log. I don't know, simple. Unreal's blueprint's pretty nice, but it is definitely a lot more complicated than Unity. I'll give you that. And then we'll log this as well. Yeah, Code Academy is awesome. Code Academy is awesome. It does primarily have web development language, but they just not too long ago they opened up a course for Java, and it's pretty good. Also teaches like SQL and version control through Git. It's a really nice. Code Academy should be free, except for some aspects of it. Like certain projects aren't free, and they just recently did that. Okay, now we will do function code. Let's see. I don't really want to validate anything for this. I'm pretty much going to do the same as this. Public function, static function, edit admin. And then we will do you do admin equals at self where email requests okay, and we will do I don't want to. Fine, I will do if admin email. See, that will not work. Wait a second. No. Routing. Oh, no wonder. So we go back to admin's controller. This needs to pass on the ID, admin ID. Now pass on the admin ID to admins, and then instead of doing this, we will do add a self find admin ID, and then we need to do if admin email does not equal request input email. If it does not equal it, then when you do admin email equals request input email. If it does not equal that, then we need to set admin password equals hash make requests password. And then if that all checks out, then we'll do save, or is it store? It's save, isn't it? Yeah, save. And then return true. Because all we'd be editing is that, so if that's true, then return view admin edit admin ID equals admin ID, else return redirect view back. I actually need to do this right here. Okay, so now we just need to go into routes.php and start defining some routes. So, routes get admin. I wonder, do you guys think I should make a way to comment on news articles that I post on the homepage? Okay. Okay, bitches. I'll see you later, P20. Have a good night. Let's see. So we'll go ahead and do ID. That's not helping, Simple. Who are you, Shia LaBeouf now? Name admin edit. Okay, Benja, thanks for stopping by. I can't really say, you know, like I said earlier, have fun at school. But yeah, do good. Oh, thanks for following, man. And I will be streaming tomorrow, so hopefully you're on then. Okay, then I need to do route get create. Oh, thanks, Solomon. Thanks for following, man. Admin create. I don't really think I need to name that, but I'll do it anyways. And then we'll go down here and do our post methods. Admin controller at post create. And route post ID. Admin controller at post edit. Oh, I know what I didn't do. Admin controller. I did not pass on the admin ID. Nope, not that one. Right here. Admin ID. Yeah, the routings, they're great. I really like Laravel's routing system. It's kind of like Slim. I don't know. My work, their core uses Slim, but for some reason I hate Slim with a passion. So I convinced them to let me convert everything in the core over to Laravel because it's just so nice to work with. Yep. Definitely, Solomon. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the forums. I'm gonna generate all the PHP code for forums before I go to bed. And so I can just do the views later. You want to catch them all as well, Simple? Is that what you want to do? You want to catch them all? See, make model. We'll do. It's 1 o'clock in the morning over here in Texas of USA. It's crap. I wish I didn't have to get up to work in the morning so early, but that's life for you. Let's see. I'll call these forum posts, and then I'll do course make model forum threads, PHP artisan make model forum topics. I'll also make all the migrations for those Yeah, I have one in the morning. It's my first meeting at my job with one of the big clients that we're gonna do. Yeah, it's not until the morning, so I don't have much to worry about. And when I say a big project, I mean like close to a 400-hour project. So it's gonna be a big project, very big. Excuse me. Okay, so... Oh, no, not at all. No. I mean, I say I don't get nervous. No, I worked in customer service for the longest. I worked for a help desk for a home builder, so I'm used to talking to people very easily and conversating with them. I probably... yeah, I'm not too nervous. I'm pretty confident. Plus, I'll have my, since it's my first meeting, I'll have bosses in there that'll help me out since, we're not massive, so I'm not on my own completely. Where are you? Migrations. There you are. Forum posts. Schema. Create. Forum. Oh yeah, I'll have a lot of I'll have fun. I'll actually be able to get to work now and actually work on something that I mean, not matters, but that's gonna put my skills to the test. I mean, let's be honest. This stuff I'm doing right now, it's pretty simple. It's not hard at all. Let's see, table, increments, ID. Okay, and there needs to be a integer that contains the user ID. There also needs to be a table long text, and it needs to be body. Let's see, what did I do with my... Let's see, when I did my task, here we are. So I split it up into posts, threads, and categories. Posts, I had body, user ID, thread ID, primary post. And if it was a primary post, it'd be the first one in that. Okay. So we'll do table, integer, thread ID, table, integer. Actually, no, this is going to be a boolean. And this is going to be primary. And then I'm actually going to use soft deletes. Wow. Didn't they have soft deletes on this? Yes, they do. Sweet. Table, soft deletes, table, timestamps. Oh. Threads. This is also going to have use soft deletes for, I don't know, because the only person who got access to database is me. So if we have, for godforsaken reason, we had a rogue admin that said a bunch of stuff, or a moderator that said a bunch of stuff and deleted them, soft deletes doesn't actually delete from the database. It just puts a deleted at table, and leaves the item in the database. It's very nice, very, very nice. Is that entity framework? How do you mean? You mean the framework, what it's called? Or what do you mean? Ooh. The data access framework. It's called Eloquent. It's Laravel's built-in ORM. It's called Eloquent. It's very nice, and you can use it standalone as well, which is awesome. Like, I used it on my standalone form software, and it is just amazing. Yeah, but here it is down here. Eloquent ORM. It's great. I don't think so. I may be wrong though. I don't think so though. I don't think it has a code first approach. But yeah, if you want to take a look at it, I can give you the link if you want it. Okay, what did I do with threads? Category ID. So that's going to be topic ID, user ID, and then soft deletes. Oh man, and then if it's a subtopic, I think I'm going to make it the ability to do subtopics. I don't know how I'd implement that for everybody. I think I would just do layer 2 subtopics, because layer 3 and 4, well, 3 to 4 layers, that would get complicated on storing the IDs. At least the way I'm thinking about it. So table, string, title, table, integer, user ID, table soft deletes. I don't know. No, let me see. Let me do the rest of that. Yeah, no, they're not automatically generated, unfortunately. No, like to set properties, data type properties, if that's what you mean. It's it's this right here. You know, you set integer, and if you want, you could do max length. I think. Well, let me see. Migrations. Yeah. So if you want to do max length, Yeah, no, it does. Unfortunately, it doesn't do that. Let's see you. Nullable. Okay, so schema form topics function. Okay, man. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I'll probably if you stream, well, I guess today over there, I'll probably end up watching you while I'm at work. So yeah. Thanks for stopping by. See you later. This is going to have a string, title. This is also going to have just text. And that's going to be description. And this is going to be integer, sub topic. And it is nullable. And this will also use soft deletes. Okay, and then we will open it up and go PHP artisan migrate. Actually, I'd like to continue, but I think I should probably go to sleep and get ready for my meeting with the client tomorrow. So, guys, thanks for stopping by. I will be streaming tomorrow, of course, and continue development of this site. So if you want to catch me out then, I'll probably stream between 7 and 9 Central Standard Time. And I'll also post a schedule down below, just so I don't have to, if you're curious when I will stream, and also Twitter, I will post updates if I'm late. I'm gonna start doing that because sometimes I leave the office late. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. If you like to stream, follow. I will be back tomorrow. See you guys later.